What if you could make an extra $1,000 this month without quitting your job or learning complicated skills? Most people think making money requires huge investment or years of experience, but that's not true. There are simple, practical money hacks that can start generating income almost immediately if you take action. In this video, we're counting down 5 powerful and realistic ways to boost your income fast. And number 1 is something almost anyone can start today. 5. Sell what you already own. Let's start with the easiest method, selling things you don't use anymore. Look around your room. Old phones, unused clothes, gadgets, books. Most people are sitting on hundreds of dollars without realizing it. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, OLX, or local selling apps make it incredibly easy to turn unused items into quick cash. The key here is speed, not perfection. Price items slightly lower than market value to sell fast. Take clear photos, write simple descriptions, and respond quickly to buyers. Many people underestimate how powerful this is. With just a few sales, you can easily generate your first $100 to $300 within days. 4. Offer a simple service locally. You don't need a degree or advanced skills to make money, just solve a problem. Think about services people need in your area: cleaning, car washing, grocery delivery, basic graphic design, or even helping someone set up their phone or social media. Start small. Offer your service to neighbors, friends, or local groups. Use WhatsApp, Facebook groups, or word of mouth to get your first clients. Charge a fair but competitive price. Even earning $10, $20 per task can add up quickly. Do 2-3 small jobs daily, and you're already building consistent income. The fastest money comes from simple solutions. 3. Flip products for profit. This is one of the oldest and most effective money-making strategies. Buy low, sell high. You can start by finding underpriced items locally or online, then reselling them at a higher price. This could be anything from used furniture and electronics to trending products. For example, someone might sell a used phone urgently at a low price. You buy it and resell it at market value. The key is research. Know what sells, understand pricing, and act quickly when you find a good deal. Even small profits of $10, $30 per item can scale fast. Flip 20, 30 items in a month, and you're already hitting that $1,000 goal. 2. Start a simple online hustle. The internet has made it easier than ever to earn money from home. You can offer freelance services like video editing, thumbnail design, writing, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow beginners to get started with basic skills. If you already have a smartphone or laptop, you're ready to begin. Start by offering one simple service. Focus on delivering quality work, even at a lower price initially, to build reviews and trust. Once you gain momentum, you can increase your rates and scale your income. Many people make their first $100 online faster than they expect, and from there it only grows. 1. Use Skill Plus Speed Cogs Quick Cash. This is the most powerful hack and the fastest. Take any skill you already have, even a basic one, and combine it with speed. The goal is not perfection, it's execution. Can you edit short videos, create thumbnails, write captions, translate text, manage social media? Offer these services directly to people who need them right now, especially content creators, small businesses, or startups. Reach out directly. Send messages. Offer quick turnaround. Speed is your advantage. While others overthink and delay, you act fast and deliver results. This is how you turn simple skills into real money quickly. Many beginners make their first $500, $1,000 just by taking action consistently for a few weeks. If you found even one idea useful, don't just watch, take action today. That's the difference between people who stay stuck and those who start earning. If you want more simple, real-world ways to make money and grow your income, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your first $1,000 isn't as far away as you think, but only if you start now. Stay consistent, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.